हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल मिशन गवर्नमेंट जॉब। अगर आप आरआरबी मिनिस्ट्रियल एंड लेबर स्टेशन ग्रेड थर्ड केमिस्ट एंड मेट्रोलॉजिस्ट पोस्ट की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो ये प्रैक्टिस सेट आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है। मैंने जितना ही प्रैक्टिस सेट अब तक यूट्यूब पर कराया है, सारी वीडियोस इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि इससे डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आने वाले हैं। तो सही वीडियो को देखें और अंत तक देखें, कोई भी क्वेश्चन मिस नहीं होना चाहिए। चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। Our first question is the process of collecting latex from rubber tree is called. Option A tapping, option B smelting, option C tempering, option D calcination. Correct option is A tapping. हम रैपिडली क्वेश्चन शुरू करेंगे, ओनली क्वेश्चन आंसर, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, विच क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन इज मोर सुटेबल फॉर रबर प्लांटेशन? ऑप्शन ए कोल्ड एंड ड्राई क्लाइमेट, ऑप्शन बी hot and humid climate, option C desert climate, option D polar climate. Correct option is D hot and humid climate. Next question, which of the following is not an application of natural rubber? Option A tire manufacturing, option B insulating materials, option C conveyor belt, option D nuclear rod. Correct option is D nuclear fuel rod. Next question, natural rubber loses elasticity at low temperature because of option A crystallization tendency, option B high thermal expansion, option C metallic bonding, option D oxidation only. Correct option is A crystallization tendency. Next question, which statement regarding natural rubber is incorrect? Option A, it is obtained from latex, option B, it mainly contains polyisoprene, option C, it is a thermosetting plastic, option D, vulcanization improves its property. Correct option is C, it is a thermosetting plastic. Next question, which gas may evolve during acid pickling of steel? Correct option A, oxygen, option B, nitrogen, option C, hydrogen, option D, chlorine. Correct option is C, hydrogen. Next question, pickling before electroplating is necessary mainly to option A, increase electrical resistance, option B, ensure proper metal deposition and adhesion, option C, reduce conductivity, option D, increase oxide thickness. Correct option is B, ensure proper metal deposition and adhesion. Next question, which of the following is not commonly used in pickling baths? Option A, hydrochloric acid, option B, sulfuric acid, option C, nitric acid, option D, lubricating grease. Correct option is D, lubricating grease. Next question, the removal of oil and grease before pickling is generally carried out by option A, degreasing process, option B, annealing, option C, normalizing, option D, tempering. Correct option is A, degreasing process. Next question, which statement regarding pickling is incorrect? Option A, pickling improves surface cleanness, option B, pickling enhances coating adhesion, option C, pickling removes oxide scale, option D, pickling increases metal hardness significantly. Correct option is D, pickling increases metal hardness significantly. Next question, which impurity may interfere with gravimetric estimation of silicon if filtration is improper? Option A, ferric oxide, option B, sodium chloride only, option C, nitrogen gas, option D, hydrogen only. Correct option is A, ferric oxide. Next question, the purpose of washing the silica reduce during filtration is to option A, increase residue weight, option B, remove soluble impurities, option C, dissolve silica completely, option D, reduce filtration speed. Correct option is B, remove soluble impurities. Next question, which laboratory balance is generally used for accurate weighing in gravimetric analysis? Option A, spring balance. Option B, analytical balance. Option C, platform balance. Option D, beam balance. Correct option is B, analytical balance. Next question, in silicon estimation, loss in weight after treatment with hydrofluoric acid corresponds to option A, amount of iron. Option B, amount of silica. Option C, amount of carbon. Option D, amount of magnesium. Correct option is A, B, amount of silica. Next question, which of the following statement regarding silicon estimation in steel is incorrect? Option A, silica is filtered with and weight. Option B, gravimetric analysis depend on accurate weighing. Option C, hydrofluoric acid converts silica into volatile compound. Option D, silica is highly soluble in all minerals. Correct option is D, silica is highly soluble in all minerals. That's it. Next question, in Hooke's law, negative sign in restoring force equation indicates. Option A, force is absent. Option B, force act opposite to displacement. Option C, extension is negative. Option D, spring has no elasticity. Correct option is B, force act opposite to displacement. Next question, the modulus of elasticity is defined as the ratio of strain to strain. Option B, strain to stress. Option C, force to area. Option D, load to volume. Correct option is A, stress to strain. Next question, which property of matter is associated with Hooke's law? Option A, plasticity. Option B, elasticity. Option C, radioactivity. Option D, conductivity. Correct option is B, elasticity. Next question, a spring obeys Hooke's law if deformation produced is. Option A, independent of force. Option B, directly proportional to applied force. Option C, inversely proportional to applied force. Option D, equal to acceleration. Correct option is D, directly proportional to applied force. Next question, the reciprocal of spring constant represent. Option A, rigidity. Option B, compliance or flexibility. Option C, stress. Option D, density. Correct option is B, flexibility. Next question, the primary disadvantage of high carbon tool steel compared to high speed steel is. Option A, lower hardness at elevated temperatures. Option B, higher corrosion resistance. Option C, excessive ductility. Option D, lower mechanability. Correct option is A, lower hardness at elevated temperatures. Next question, which of the following tool materials possesses excellent compressive strength and wear resistance? Option A, brass. Option B, cemented carbide. Option C, aluminum. Option D, copper. Correct option is B, cemented carbide. Next question, in cutting tool steel, chromium is mainly added to improve. Option A, corrosion resistance and hardness. Option B, electrical conductivity. Option C, thermal expansion. Option D, magnetic softness. Correct option is A, corrosion resistance and hardness. Next question, which of the following cutting tool material is most brittle? Option A, high speed steel. Option B, mild steel. Option C, cemented carbide. Option D, low carbon steel. Correct option is C, cemented carbide. Next and last question of this set, the main reason for using alloy steel in cutting tool is to obtain lower strength. Option B, enhance hardness, toughness and wear resistance. Option C, increase softness. Option D, reduce mechanability. Correct option is B, enhance hardness, toughness and wear resistance. Thank you.